Hi, this is Alex and welcome back to another episode of CEC Tips and Tricks. In this series, we answer some frequently asked questions that we get from our customers from around the region. This week, we have a question from a customer in Taiwan asking, how many operators do you need to run the Ricoh Pro L5160? Well, here in CEC, we have one operator taking care of two L5160s, and on top of this, he's also taking care of our other industrial inkjet printers. When looking for wide format inkjet printers, it's important that you factor in the ease of maintenance in addition to easy operation. The most important part of any inkjet printer is the printheads. A bad printhead means bad printouts, and that also means additional cost to replace the broken printhead. In order to maintain consistently good print quality as well as printhead longevity, the printheads will need to be maintained and cleaned regularly. This becomes an issue when you're running multiple machines, as we are here in CEC. Manually cleaning the printheads take time, which means that the operator is unable to perform other tasks and the printer is not running. It's a good thing then that the Ricoh Pro L5160 comes with Ricoh's industrial grade printheads, which are designed for extended service of more than 2.5 years while maintaining excellent print quality. Daily maintenance is automated, which reduces operator intervention and ensures reliable and consistent results. Without this function, there's a likelihood that you'll be faced with damaged printheads should your operator need to be away for an extended period of time. Of course, you could work around this by hiring additional operators, but that would also mean additional costs. Another scenario where this function is highly beneficial is when you're printing large jobs. Can you imagine having 90% of your print completed only to face print quality issues due to clogged printheads? All you can do in this case is reprint the job and hope it turns out well. The automated maintenance function includes flushing, which jets a small amount of ink out of the printheads, as well as cleaning, where the printheads are cleaned by the cleaning cartridge and flushing liquid. If you're running the CMYK plus white configuration, you can set cleaning for the white printhead, as well as circulating the white ink. Like many other Ricoh products, automated maintenance is customizable, where you are able to set the frequency of which each maintenance function is performed. You would set the frequency based on the printer's activity level. One tip: if you plan on printing lots of jobs, increase the cleaning frequency so that you can be sure that all your print jobs complete without any issues. So to answer today's question, the Ricoh Pro L5160's automated maintenance function, as well as easy operation, means that you can keep your manpower requirements to a minimum even when running multiple engines. In fact, I know of one of our customers running 3 L5160s with only one operator. Well, that's all for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and we'll be sure to address them. As usual, remember to subscribe and I'll see you next time.